The auxiliary switches are in the overhead console. The 6 switches run into the power distribution box. From the power distribution box, there are 5 circuits that run to different parts of the vehicle. One goes to the front grille next to the headlight. 2 circuits go to the passenger compartment behind the glove box. One goes above the windshield by the passenger visor, and the final circuit goes to the passenger rear quarter panel. Let's say that you want to hook up a light bar to the auxiliary 1 switch, which would be this yellow wire. So we would connect this yellow wire with the brown and white wire that goes underneath the dash. Connect the brown and white wire and the gray and orange wire to run power up to above the windshield. Then remove the accessory ready cap and the bracket underneath. Now we removed the sun visor to give us access to this wire. Pull the trim panel back and get the wire. We're going to drill a hole right here and feed the wire through.